Hey, JP here. So, yesterday I saw someone who was the first person I had to remove from their role, and it was kind of weird just to suddenly come across them in the street. But it reminded me of like how hard that was, and actually, I think it's the hardest thing you'll do in leadership is to go through that process of having to let someone know that they're no longer to be in that position. And it really like drove it reminded me like why it became so important to me to try and create a repeatable process for hiring people, because if you can get that right and you really get to understand someone from different aspects and different like situations in the hiring process, it can really help to reduce the likelihood of an incorrect hire. So that's why I do what I do now. It's why I advocate getting the system in place to be able to get that repeatability, and it is fundamental to having a business that has the right people in it. Like, people always look to the latest person you've hired as, okay, so this is what the new good looks like. And it's just why hiring your people are your business. And if you ever want a reminder of why it's so important to spend, it's much easier to spend the time to build the recruitment process correctly than it is to have to remove people from your team. So just thought I'd share that thought with you today.